I just want to share these tips with you, especially when you are new here. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel, and it's one of the sites I share about sites, I share about money issues and even spirituality. We connect ourselves with money, side hustles, work from home jobs, and places where you can find some money and extra coin adding to your money. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a site. If you are a voiceover artist and you want to use your voice to get some money, now stick here until the end because I'm going to reveal which site is this. Of course, you know, all of you, that any work that you work online, it's a job, and it's a nice thing to do because you'll do this job freely without any interruptions, and you'll have yourself some money at the end of the day. Okay, now if it's your first time you are watching Honest Digits, make sure you hit the subscription button, okay, and leave me a comment below. What are some of the places you know you can make money online, which you want me to upload and also share about them always, okay? This site is one of the sites that I wanted to share a long time ago, but because I knew most of you maybe you want a different content, I've put up different types of work from home jobs. You can check my YouTube channel and click some of the sites that I've shared and ask me questions, okay? Ask me where you don't understand, ask me what you need to see. Even after I just publish, I'll be here waiting for your questions and even comments and even thumbs up. There are 4 things you can do on this channel, okay? You can click the subscribe button, leave me a comment, share this video with your friends and families and whoever wants to join this platform, okay? One of these things about this site is, one, you'll be needed to sign up, okay? You'll move around to the sign up position where you can sign up, and then when you sign up, it's easy. You'll just take you some few minutes after signing up, and then you'll be required to upload your samples. Kama wewe ni mzuri, you are good in terms of uploading, you have done samples, you have worked with radio stations, you have voiced with different companies, please upload your samples. It's quite important because there are some clients who want to hear your voice. How do you pronounce? How do you voice? What speed do you use? And then if you are talented and you're the person that he needs, of course the client will come to you and book you up and start working with them, okay? And you can do this on the site itself, or you can now have your own discussions beyond the site, okay? Beyond the site. You can create that relationship and he will offer you a job even after, and create a relationship, have a connection with them even beyond that. Now, the next part you'll be required to do is create your profile. I know this one, it's quite not interesting to some people, but this is a requirement that you can never miss. You'll be required to make a profile. This profile tell about yourself, and we have different types of profile. People have different categories, but with voices, you just have to explain yourself. Who are you? What type of voice do you do? We have different types of voicing. We have just people who do cartoon. We have just people who voice books. We have people who are good in storytelling. We have those ones who do adverts, like for example, like radio adverts and so forth. So it will be better for you if you do, you tell your profile, on your profile, explain what type of voicing do you do, and do you do male or female. Of course, these are some of the things you need to point out on your profile. Let it stand out, okay? Let it look so much explained better. Go and Google and see some of the voice artists who have been out there that are doing freelancing in voicing, and they will show you samples how to write a good profile, okay? And don't copy someone's work. Caution, don't copy someone's work. Use that sample to write your own, and it will be the best of all, okay? Now, in this platform that I want to share at the end of this video, you'll find that you'll sign up your email address, and they will be sending you jobs according to your profile, to your email. So what I want you to do is, first of all, you need to have an email address. If you don't have active email address, make sure your email address is active, and you'll sign up. After you're signing up, you check your email every day. So make sure you check your email every day, because they will send you jobs, and these jobs, they can range to between your own rate that you set. Okay, over 100 countries are open to join. So don't worry, even if you are in Africa, you can join. Don't worry where your location is, you can join. As I always say, always have your internet active, have a fast speed internet, have your smartphone, and if you have your computer, it's one of the best items. And then the next thing is, you also need what I said earlier before, is the equipment. Have good audio equipment. Like, for example, you can hire some studio somewhere and then do this job. Okay, so you put out something good. Okay, make sure you do work. This is a job, so you don't have to just put somewhere something just like that. No, look at some of the best audio equipments which you can use to start making your own money. So you know, someone cannot just pay you on a job that is just like that. So he needs you to see something good. Okay, so work on your work, use the best equipments ever, but you can start somewhere. I'm not discouraging you. You can start somewhere. The next thing is, set your rate. So on the profile side, you have to set your rate. Of course, we have some people who choose different rates, like for example, $10 per 3 minutes, $5 per 1 minute. It also depends with also who are you. We have those seasoned freelancers, those people who have worked for long. They have their profile standing out. You can see people who are set up even $100 for just a 1 minute video voice. So set your rate when you are starting out. Like any other people, look at what other people, the starters and newbies who are also joined you, and how much they are charging, and then you start charging from there. But don't go too low. Okay, look professional, don't go too low. On this site again, the one I was just about to introduce to you, there are huge companies like Coca-Cola which are hiring from them. So you see, make sure you mark what you are willing to do. Okay, so without much ado, I've taken much of your time. Let me show you this site. It's called Voice 123. Now let me take you to the site itself, and let me show you step by step. Stick here and make sure, if you're a new person, if you're the first person you are seeing this video for the first time, make sure you sign up and click the notification bell so that you feel me, so that you connect ourselves, we become friends. Okay, let me show you on this site. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the site I have been sharing with you, and I wanted to show you some of the site and how it works. So when you look at the voices.com, you can Google it on your smartphone or on your computer. As you can see, it's a good, nice place where you need to start making money. I share about how to make money online, how to work online, and side hustles. Okay, as you can see, it's called Voice 123. So on this site, you can share in and such as sign up, login, the voice itself. It's quite an impressive where you need to do. The site itself is quite responsive to every gadget. You don't have to worry about lagging or so forth. So you can see sign up, login here, then I don't know what, and so forth. So I want to show you how to sign up. You click the sign up, and then you can sign in as a client or as a voice actor. So today we are signing it as a voice actor. So when you sign in as a voice actor, you'll have to choose the languages. What language do you want to use? Of course, if it's Amharic, now I'll choose English as just an example. Okay, then we shall choose another language, maybe. Okay, then let's proceed, and then you'll have to choose what some of the acting abilities, voices can you produce. So you find that the voices you can produce, we have child, we have male. If you can produce male adult or male female or female, you can do that, and it's quite easy. Okay, then proceed. Next step, you have to recording capabilities and options for the delivery. Of course, we have digital deliveries. That's what working everywhere. And then you can check in other methods that you will feel will be comfortable, the ones you are familiar with. Now on the next you press next. What voice actor sign up services you will offer. You see, we have clients who will want you to do translation, who will want you to finish up, write the copy and do other things. So you'll press the next, and then here now is where you are now creating your profile. Now you'll put in your email address. Of course, my email address as anesdigital.com. That one's, of course, this is just for example. And then you can sign in as a Google or using Facebook. Okay, then you proceed to the next level where you put in your names, put in your full names, and then choose how did you hear about this. You can choose search engine optimization. Then next. Now we have created our own. Now we are going to the dashboard. So on the dashboard, they are saying get invited to participate, receive projects through your email address. Voices will do this for you. Then you'll have to do audition for projects, and then you have to negotiate and get hired. This is quite important. Okay, there is an option for that. Then last tips is be sure to complete your profile. Quite important. The way you can start receiving projects, invitations, and improve viability. Okay, then proceed. Now on the next part, we are going to see some of the profile completion. There are others which we have completed, the one in red and the one in blue up there with a tick we haven't completed. So you make sure you check all those sections and complete them, my friend. This is going to be your work. Okay, now when you check on this one here, it's going to show you we shall put our name, and we shall put our some of the sample portfolio, some of the things we can do. I'm just doing this because I want to show you how you are going to move around and see some of the things that you need to make sure that the profile is starting out for your sake. Okay, this is for free of charge. Have you paid me anything? No. Now let's proceed. You have to put here profile picture, which is quite important. A profile picture sends out to show the person who you are. You can write a male person when you have the names. Alone cannot do that. If you have chosen for female, let's see a female face. Okay, now some of the profile items have been filled up, but you can also move around. You can see down there we have profile, we have other sections. You can click around, bookings and delivered projects. So whenever you start now booking, these are quite important for you. The moment you start booking these things, it will be easy for you. It will be nice for you to start working out, and you'll be start making money online. I wish you well and I wish you success. Make sure you sign up, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. What are some of the things you want me to share? So you can also share out your profile to individual people, like even on social media, and then you'll get these jobs done at your you'll get jobs coming to you right away using the One Voice 123 profile. Okay, if you're first time, you want you to make all this money permanent solution, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. My name is Anes. Bye for now.